wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best hand file sets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8. This SE riffler set is made up of 8 double-sided rasps with assorted shaped heads. They're perfect for hobbyists and professionals alike and are used primarily for shaping and forming soft materials like clay, wax or soapstone. These are made from steel and come with a storage pouch. However, they're not for heavy-duty work. At number 7, the rexbeti 16-piece Premium contains 4 large and 12 micro files, which come in a rugged storage case. They're each made from high-grade alloy steel that's been tempered and coated for durability. They're equipped with comfortable rubber grips and are ideal for wood, ceramics and leather, but the handles are prone to coming loose. Coming in at number 6 on our list, the Central Forge Precision Needle comes as a 12-piece kit with round, flat and multi-sided rasps that allow for delicate finishing work. These aren't designed for heavy-duty jobs though, and they may break under pressure. They come with textured nylon grips and are suitable for light use on metals. However, note that the set does contain some duplicates. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for hand file sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, the Slimline andgoo 4-way have an unusual design with 1 metal and 1 wood rasp on each end. The combination of flat and round surfaces makes them suitable for a wide variety of work, including smoothing and sharpening blades. These are made from hardened steel and are 8 inches long, but they're not comfortable with extensive use. Halfway up our list at number 4, the Woodstock D3112 comes with both round and square rasps, perfect for putting the finishing touches to delicate joints. They have an overall length of just over 12 inches and a usable cutting area of just over 7 inches. These are good for mortise and tenon work and have comfortable rubber handles. However, the grit is too fine for big jobs. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, with an assortment of long and short rasps, the entai 11-piece is a versatile kit that can be used on wood, metal, plastics and glass. The ergonomic handles are made from sturdy ABS plastic and soft rubber. These come in a wooden storage case with a good variety of shapes. They're made from drop-forged alloy steel. At number 2, the Crescent Nicholson maintenance set provides contoured and textured grips that will allow for hours of use comfortably. The convenient roll-up storage bag has clearly labeled compartments to keep them organized and well protected. These feature a standard American pattern, forward-facing cutting teeth, and strong high-carbon steel. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Simonds All-Purpose is suitable for master craftspersons. For most carpenters and artisans, this comprehensive 13-piece kit should be the last they'll ever need, and each item offers a different shape and coarseness rating. They include a cloth pouch for storage, a metal brush for cleaning the teeth, and quality wooden handles. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for hand file sets, or simply click beneath this video.